Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you're doing well. Today is June 17th. Um, I have my gray mini chart on my screen. Here, the main chart is of 5 minutes. I have a daily on the right hand side, and the 5 minute, including the overnight trading sessions, or the Globex chart as well. So, we'll do a bar by bar analysis and then see how we will trade. The market has closed already. I'm just using the replay mode here. Um, so, let's do a daily analysis really quick and see where we stand on daily chart. On daily chart, we had a strong bull run and then a channel here. So we're still in a bull channel. It tried to break down yesterday and then just touched the EMA. And then we had a strong bull rally. Back to the channel again. So after this surprise bull run, we have leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. We're kind of in a late leg, so it's difficult to anticipate. The probability is that we might not go much higher above this because we are in the late trend already. I would be cautious to enter above the high of this bar here. So basically we are in the trading range here, so be mindful of that. We'll keep it open here. Here it is. And then on the 5 minutes, before we go to 5 minutes, let's look at the 45-minute chart. So the 45-minute, what does it look like? A strong bull breakout and then channel, came back and tested the starting of the channel, formed a lower high, down, so it's a bull rally, and then gradual fade, and then range, and we broke out of the range today. So likely we'll come back and test the range, and let's see how it goes. Let's go back to 5 minutes. On the Globex, the overnight session, with a strong gap down, and a strong bear rally, and then kind of a tight trading range, which then broke out with not much follow through, and then we're back to this tight trading range here. Let me mark that on the chart here. Okay. Rectangle. This is the tight trading range we are on. And this could be the test of trading range, and then we can go way down. So this is the low of the Globex, and this is the high of the Globex. Just to keep that on the side here. Okay, let's see how the market goes. So let's start the replay. Let me forward it to 10x or 6x. Before that, quickly, let's add this indicator. Prior day high and low. So this was the prior day. Never mind. It will create as we go. Okay. So first bar of the day is a bull bar. We just tested yesterday's open or yesterday's low. We broke below that and then back to the, let's see if it would be a bear breakout or just back to the range. Just note we are also top of the Globex trading range here. So first bar closed above the yesterday's open. So buyers are down below this bull bar here, pushed the market all the way up. So it doesn't look like a bear breakout yet. Okay, the buyers who bought here are trapped with this giant bear bar. Looks like a good setup to sell because the breakout pullback failed, and we'll basically the breakout pullback and then continuation, expecting that, but the risks would be very let me measure. So 42 points or 42 ticks. So we can buy below the 1 tick below of this bear bar, number 3 bar, and then put the sell stop over 1 tick high of this bar, of the high of this bear bar. So 21 seconds remaining. Strong looking bear bar, basically inside outside bar, which is also a breakout bar. Also it's a low one as well. If you look at this, and there was this gap down is basically a giant bear bar. We still have a range to get up to here. So let's see if it's, so let's see if we enter on a stop here. 1R is way below, so it's not worth the risk. So we'll wait. But that's basically a low one. We'll wait for a low to entry and then probably get on the short side. Let me speed it up again. On the daily chart, we opened at the middle of the yesterday's bar, so likely a trading range. So big down, big up, no follow through, trading range, price action basically. Bulls who bought here were trapped, and then they got to get out, break even. And number 4 bar. So this is a trading range in itself. Buy low, sell high would be the appropriate option here. We might get a breakout bar, and then I would wait for the breakout to fail, and then get on the short side. These red dotted lines are basically the open of yesterday's, low of yesterday, and this green dotted are high of yesterday. So we got the breakout out of this trading range, and then it was rejected by the bears. So this breakout could be a failure, and we might actually test down below here or here. Now it looks like a good short entry. So if this bear bar closes below its midpoint, then we can sell one tick. Okay, the bears who brought here kind of got their break even here, so they will be buying. But this is a low to basically, so I'll sell two positions. It didn't trigger the sell stop limit, but I'll put
Order
it anyway.
submitted.
I still have 2 minutes to go. And this is how I would manage if I were to be filled. I will put my stop up above here, and this would be the 1 hour target. Likely around here will be my profit target, but then we didn't get a fill.
Order cancelled.
So let's see what's happening here. So bears who brought here got sold this bar and then got out break even. Was it at 50%? Not really. Yeah, likely so. They got the 50% pullback and then got out of the trade. So we broke out pullback, and then here's the bull bar. One, two, three, but then one, and this all could be a second leg. So bears who sold here are trapped now. So likely we'll get a second leg push to the upside after these strong bull bars. So leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. I think this is good short entry as well.
Order submitted.
Because it's the waist pattern, and as well as this could trigger a low to here. Low to was never triggered, so. And also it's the price went to the EMA, so. Now we have a good risk reward. At least the test of the end of this range, or 2 hour.
Order filled.
Okay, just got filled. Put my stop loss just above this bar here, and another above the bull bar. Then my profit target would be, so enter here. This is our stop loss. I'll put my stop 1 at here. Profit target at here, and then I'll swing the rest. That's going against the position, but I'm happy to hold in wait and take the loss if needed. So that completes the leg 1 of flow 2, and now I would be hoping for the leg 2. Let me pull a 5-minute chart here. This chart is getting too clogged, so for the clarity, what is this? 10 minutes, 5-minute. Why do I have this giant bear bar here? I don't understand. So leg 1, leg 2, let's put my stop loss to break even. So both of my stop loss are at break even now. If it reverses, then that will be the end of the leg 2, and I don't want to be in that trade. So if we look at the bull breakout, this is a high one, this is the high to fail, and this one is a high one, and this is the high to fail, so there could be more legs down. Leg 1 and leg 2, yeah.
Stop filled.
Stoffel just lost the commission. Let me. Where did it go? This one, I don't want to see it here. But okay. What did this chart looks? What is this bar about? I don't understand. I don't know why it's doing that. This is not the right chart. Let me mark the high of the day here. So this should be the high of the day. And then I just want to close this. I want to keep my charts clean, so. Okay, here we go. So low 1, low 2, leg 1, leg 2. And then if we look from the bull's perspective, we got a high one, and then high two is failed. This would be another leg down, but also it's kind of forming the double bottom bull flag. And then, so this is the bull breakout, and then pullback, and this is the second pullback. So kind of like a double bottom bull flag. Did this look so just close? Yeah, it did. So sellers are up above this bar. That's why it couldn't close above this. Maybe I exited too early. I should have moved my stop loss to down here or break even. It doesn't matter. I'm out of it already. We'll reassess the market. Let's see what it looks like in 60 minutes or 45 minutes. Nothing. I can't read that out. I would have placed my stop if I didn't move my stop to break even. I would have placed the stop just one tick above this 16th bar, high of the 16th bar. So bears are not getting much follow through here, so I think it's a good spot to buy.
Order submitted.
Because
Order filled.
it's also that double bottom bull flag, right? I'll hope for the two legs, but then these big overlapping bars and kind of much overlapping bars would make it harder for the bulls to push up, but we'll see. So one below this bull bar. These pink lines are my stop, and the green lines are my profit target, and one would obviously be high of the day. This one are only this two are. It's hard to get above. I would expect some overlaps. Let me forward it. Bears can argue that this low one didn't trigger a sell. This low two also didn't trigger a sell, so this is actually a low one. And then pull back and then low two. Leg one, and we might have a leg two here. So it might still be bearish. But then leg one is done. And
Stop filled. Stop
just got
filled.
stopped out, so with a loss. It happens, right? The trade might go against you, but then you have to respect your stop loss and do not move it. follow the plan. Okay, so what's going on in here? I think I'm not on the correct side of the market because I'm getting stopped twice. So if you look at the 15-minute chart, there is big bull breakout, and then this bar is pissing me off. Why did it show this? Shit, now it's doing the same thing here. I don't understand. Maybe I should pause it. No, it didn't help. 30 minutes. What is this? Maybe it goes away with the next bar. No, it didn't. Come on. Okay, let me bring this back here. Seems to be working fine in here. I don't know. Okay, let's focus on this side only. Let me slow down a little bit. Let's see what is this market doing. It's completed a leg 2 now. Yeah, it's a bull black. Potentially, yeah. But this is a very giant bull bar, so I'll just buy one. Buy market.
Order filled.
I'll move myself to here. Have a wait. That's 1 hour. That's 2 hour. So we are forming a double bottom bear flag, and also, so let's say there's a giant bear bar here, which is a gap down bar. So this is a bear bar, and then we just form a double bottom here. Sorry, double top bear flag. This bull bar couldn't close above the high of this, and then we have a rejection. I'll switch my position and sell 1 tick below it. That completes the leg 1. There might be a leg 2. Let me slow it down. If it goes 1 tick below that, I'm selling the market. Close the position and sell the market. Or why not let me put my stop losses 1 tick below it. And as soon as it hit, I'll sell the market.
Stop. Order filled.
Okay, we're short again. I think I'm over trading, but I feel like this is a good setup. I want 1 more. Oh, it didn't give me a chance. It did.
Order filled.
Sell it again. Increase. Even that one is good. So that completes the leg one. I'll move my stop loss to here. Leg one. Wait, it's too early to put the stop loss there. Stop loss should still be here, but then this is a one tick false breakout, so is it? Yeah. Okay, I will break this down. Here's price. I'll put one, and that should already be stopped out. I'll put one at the EMA and one above this bear bar. Okay.
Stop filled.
EMA got filled. This is the second leg. So one tick above it. I'm done.
Stop filled.
Okay, let's see how much we lost. $105. Bad day. Oh, this one pop up again. I was supposed to look at this. Leg one happened and then leg two happened. It just enter here, right? I lost this one. What kind of day is this? I mean, is it trading range day? Big bulls are being rejected. Big bears are rejected. Big bulls are rejected. Big bears are rejected. So we're in trading range. Buy those sell high. So I should have brought here, hoping to get here. You have to constantly guess the market, and I was not doing that. Okay. Alrighty. This is I1 and this is I2 also. So I should have brought here. Leg one, leg two. I can still buy. But the leg two is in there. I'll wait. I don't have to be in the trade every time. This is head and shoulder. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. So Now we're in the trading range. It's middle of the trading range. It should sell down below here. And then this is also like one and low one. And I'm selling. Low 2 and hidden, so
Order submitted.
enough reason to get out. If it triggers. If it doesn't, cancel. Cancel.
Order cancelled.
But then failed. Slow down. That's the third item to break above this bar. It's a good place to sell. If it keeps the good signal bar, it'll be also the head and shoulder. Yeah, it's good to sell below this bar. If it allows us to. I'll just set a sell stop limit
Order submitted.
here and then move it back when it closes. And this is risky because they could get a whiplash, but I don't think that's going to happen. Okay. Wait, is that one tick or far more? Yeah, this is one tick below. Top of the trading range, at least the test of the at least here.
Order filled.
Okay, I'll put my stop loss a little far this time because I would expect some whiplash. That's a one. Is it? No. Give me a big leg, man. Let's purchase one. Sell. I want one more.
Order submitted.
Whoa. Okay, bears who sold here are trapped. How do we try trading range? I would expect a whiplash. If it closes above this high, then obviously I'm exiting. But then it can come and test it. That doesn't hurt me. Yeah, that's what I wanted to avoid. Sticking out my stop and then going below. Because you can see many overlapping bars here, so now I'm safe to put my
Order filled.
stop loss there. And then it's kind of double bottom again. I would expect 2 legs at least. One leg at 2R. Sorry, one profit target at 2R. and another I'll move as the chart progress. So that ends the leg one, I guess. No, not yet. I mean, it could be leg one and then heading towards leg two. Okay, now moving the stop to. Come on, hit it. Hit it. At least it's
Target filled.
okay. One is gone. Now I'll just wait. Now instead of using the profit target, I'll move my stop loss to. So if I see a good looking bull bar closing above the high, sorry, closing above its midpoint, then that'll be my reason to stop one tick high above that bar. Okay, so I think this is the reason. This is the bar. Wait, is it a good looking bull bar? Let's see. Not so much. Now I'll put my back here. Okay, I'll bring it back to this bull bar now. So that completes the leg one. Oh, yeah, I need to put it one stop because you know what? This is just a one tick failure down below here, and this is leg one, leg two, leg three, so we might potentially go off. So that's a good place to stop. We'll have a sideways. Let me forward. Okay, that's good. That's good. Moving my stop loss above this bear bar. Now here.
Stop filled.
Okay, let's get out. See how we did. We reversed that $100 to back to $20, so that's good. Oh, I don't want this chart. This is the one I was looking at. Okay, let's look at the market now. What's happening here? So we started with the trading range, and when with that we had a double bottom, bull, bear flag, and then a double bottom, bull, bear flag in here as well. And that's that was also low one and low two. So yeah. And then now we have this parabolic waves kind of pattern. I draw a line here, line 2, line 3, and then be leg 3, and this is the final leg. So all the bears that missed this breakout got chance to enter here, which is on the second leg, so low one entry here, and then this is a low 2 entry here. I should have probably sorted down here, hoping for the 2 legs, but I didn't, so I should have though. Had I sorted here, which is low to setup, that would be my 2-hour profit target, and then second one would be the close up of the good looking bull bar, and I haven't still got the good looking bull bar. Okay, what I can do is I really want to be part of the trade. I have 20 P&L, so we'll add it up later. So I want to go back to this bar, which is 140. Yeah, 140 bar. Go to 139. Okay, here we are. So to sell one tick below this.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So stop here. Stop here. Do our one profit target here.
Target filled.
That's done. I'll simply wait for. Is there anything here? Maybe to test a bit. We just tested it down below here. Okay, we'll keep it here. So, or I'll close when I see the good looking bull bar. That's too much. Is that a good looking bull bar? It's turning out to be. Okay, we still got 2 more minutes. Yeah, it's a good looking bull bar. One tick up of it. Done for the day.
Stop filled.
And this is a parabolic waves as well, so plus it's a tight trading range. Now I think we'll get a test of the EMA after this parabolic wave. I mean, I can put my stop loss here and then trade. Go back there, but I don't want to over trade. Red Bulls over here are not so happy. Bears over here are also not so happy. This move itself, I have got the second leg here. So I think it's turning into a range because we have a couple of inside bars. It's turning into a range. Usually the tight trading range turn into a sideways action. One tick false breaker out of the low of the day. And then if it's a good looking bull bar, I would buy. Just for the test of EMA or something like that. But I don't want to be too early. Yeah, safe to buy here.
Order filled.
With the stop loss. Oh, but then it is also a trading range, man. Yeah, it was never safe to buy there.
Stop filled.
Yeah, not a good idea. Not a good idea. Because I was just saying it was a trading range, and why did I bought at the top of the trading range? I don't understand. Where's the rectangle? I was saying it's the top of the trading range. Then I purchased the top of the trading range. That's not good. Okay. Oh, we're still in the tight range here. Yeah, big up and down, big up and down. And this is also weight. Still hard to purchase it here. What do I see here? Do I see anything? So this is a low one. Well, I get a low 2, then we can sort it again if we get a low 2. Wait. So this is a low one. I mean, this is another range, and we got a low one here, which tested the bottom already, so I don't know how much low 2 has, because it double adjusted it, right? So yeah, not a good place to sort. And there's a range again. We broke out of the range. Wait, what's happening here? Is it a double bottom bear flag? So with giant bear, 1, and then 2. Is it a good looking bear bar? No, not in context of this bull bar. That's just an inside bar. Oh, why did I do 100? This was a good looking bear bar. For a scalp, we can
Order
sell
submitted.
here. But then we're so close to the end of the day, so
Order
just let it
canceled.
pass. Yeah, we could have been filled here, and then it's stopped out. Plus, it's a double bottom bull flag as well, so that's one leg. There could be another leg as well at the time almost. Yeah, it was just choppy price action there. And that was a low one, and that was a lot of leg 1, leg 2. Okay, that's the end of it. Realized BNL $54 with $3,000 account. Yeah, we could if we had avoided a few losses in here, then that would have helped, but that's okay. Thank you guys for tuning. Put your comments and thoughts in the comment box. We'll see you again.